Hey, it's Jeremy Williams of the Bannock Real Estate Group, and as we head into April here, we're reminded that we're finally headed towards spring. The days are getting longer, it's getting warmer, and I know a lot more of us are spending more time outside. And it's also a good time with the change of seasons to engage yourself in the house. And what I mean by that is do an inventory, start looking around, see if there's been any damage over the winter time, things that you might not have noticed that might need to be fixed. For instance, your roof. It's a good time to just check your roof, see if the shingles are starting to curl or separate, the granules come off. Make sure that there's no long-term damage or something needs to be done sooner than later. The paint on your house, is it fading? Sometimes we look for is the siding. Is if the siding's not sealed with paint, sometimes it starts separating or deteriorating faster if there's no paint on it. Water damage, gutters. Are the gutters in alignment? Have they sustained ice damage? Where's that water pouring out to? Is there any settling around the house that we need to do to get the drainage away from the home? Because these little things over time are easy to fix, but if they go without paying attention to them, they can become huge problems in the future. Other things you want to look for is your furnace. It's a great time to have your furnace cleaned out. After running all winter long, accumulates a lot of dust, clean the filters, make sure that AC works right now. Get that prepped now so you don't get stuck on a really hot summer day not having any AC, trying to compete when everybody else is trying to get their system serviced as well. So good time to do house cleaning, cleaning the windows, cleaning the inside, just dusting out. A lot of things, we get a lot of calls this time of the year for people looking for, say, exterminators that are looking to get their house sprayed for bugs and spiders, because of course all the creepy crawlies are coming out this time of the year. So if you need any advice, like me to come over and offer some suggestions, or maybe you're just looking for somebody that can help you out in one of those areas, please feel free to reach out. You can reach us at Bannock Real Estate. Number's 406-926-6767.